Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 6 latest data analyst job openings in India, including roles for freshers and experienced professional from HBSPL, Synaptica Technology, JP Morgan Chase, NVS Travel Solutions, PayPal and Star Air. All application links are in the description, so watch till the end to find the role that fits your profile. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly verified job updates. Let's go to job 1, which is the data analyst job for freshers from HBSPL and a CTC of rupees 3 to 8 lakhs. The work mode is hybrid or work from home. You will work on data cleaning, analysis, dashboards, reporting using tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI or Tableau. Any graduate can apply, and training plus mentorship is actually provided by the company. If you are a fresher trying to break into analytics, this is a very strong entry level role for you. Let's go with the second job opportunity, which is again for freshers. Synaptic Tech is hiring data analyst for freshers. You will work on data collection, cleaning, dashboards, reports, ad hoc analysis to support business decisions. Key skills required are Excel, SQL, Python or R, along with the Power BI or Tableau for visualization. This role is ideal if you have internship or project experience and want hands-on exposure with real business data. They offer career growth, learning focused environment and clear progression in analytics roles. Okay, so let's go ahead with the third job opportunity, which is for experienced professional from JP Morgan Chase. The role designation is data analyst associate. This is a full-time role. The job location is Mumbai. You will handle large data sets, dashboards, data models, stakeholder reporting, and the key skills are the same like SQL, Python, Power BI or Tableau. This job role is best suited for candidates with prior analytics experience who want banking and corporate analytics exposure. The application deadline is 28th February, so apply quickly. Let's go ahead with the job opportunity number 4 for today. This is provided by NVS Travel Solutions. The designation is Junior Data Analyst and the job location is Mumbai. You need to have minimum of 2 years of experience with expertise in Excel or Google Sheets. You will work daily on MIS reporting, KPI dashboards and operational analytics. If you are very strong in Excel, pivots, lookups, dashboards and reporting, this role gives direct exposure to business operations and leadership. Okay, so let's go ahead with the job opportunity number 5, which is with PayPal. The designation is Senior Analyst. This role requires 3+ years of experience. You will lead a data analytics team, projects, mentor junior analyst, build dashboards and drive insights for leadership. Skills or the tools required are the same. This is a high impact role into a global product company with strong growth and benefits. Let's go ahead with the last opportunity for today, which is with Star Air. It's an aviation company. The job location is Bangalore. The designation is MIS Data Analyst. This role is in revenue management analytics. The experience required is 2 to 4 years. You will build KPI dashboards, regulatory reports, and revenue analytics using the tools which are required for that. If you want analytics exposure in the aviation industry, this is a niche and high value opportunity for you. So all application links are in the description. Apply early because these openings close fast, and subscribe for data analyst job updates for freshers and experienced professional. And all the best for your applications. See you in the next update.